Hi, Tom from MarineMax Maryland and Kent Island. I'm here to show you a brand new arrival at our store. This is a 2025 Scout 240 XSF center console. Here in the back of the boat, I want to point out the 300 horsepower Mercury V8 engine in Scout White and this wonderful big swim platform. To me, it's a big selling point for this boat. Great access on and off the boat, especially if you're on a boat lift. And obviously it has a very robust ski tow in the back, and it has raw water washdown. Why don't you come on aboard and we'll take a look at the rest of the boat. Hi, we've been in the back of the boat. There's a nice walk-through with a door so you can get from the swim platform into the boat. Immediately see the back of the leaning post here. This is an upgraded leaning post with wonderful fishing storage and storage area for a fishing knife and pliers, and already has built-in tackle boxes. 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders, and down below upgraded very large Yeti cooler that slides out. And then in the back we also have a collapsible seat for comfort when you want to ride. Over here to port, we've got a recirculating bait well, which I also use as storage for the washdown hoses, fresh and raw water washdowns. This boat also has fender pros, so you don't have to use up a cleat to have your fenders out. Just put the pins in there. Moving forward into the helm area, got nice bolstered seats. You can see you can sit or stand when riding, and it's got armrests on either side. Moving into the helm area, we have a upgraded 10-inch Garmin screen. See, has wired for the windlass. Obviously, you're switching. Nice storage on the starboard side with USB connections. USB connection up front. We've got a compass. Edson steering wheel down here, and dedicated engine displays on our Mercury vessel view. Binnacle, of course, for the engine, and it does have active trim, which is very important, and a wireless phone charger. We do have an upgraded stereo. You can see the subwoofer right there. And then moving over to the console access, a lot of headroom in this console. It's got a self-contained pump-out head. You can also see storage for the teak bow table is down below also, and your electronic panel. Coming up into the bow, becoming pretty ubiquitous with Scouts now. You got this really large lounging pad, and it's we also call it the coffin box. Tremendous storage down below. This is a pump out coffin box, so you can obviously have fish in there, but you can also have any kind of drinks and whatnot, and you can pump it out if you ever get any water in there. Further forward, seating in the bow with storage below and removable backrests in case you want to take them off to go fishing. Here's the mount for the bow table, and up front you've got access to your anchor, and also you could install a windlass on top of that. Got bow rod cup holders, another option. But all in all, it's just a really nice family boat. Does everything. Of course, Scouts are really beautiful. This one's in midnight blue, full hull color. Gorgeous boat. We'd love to have you come on down to Kent Island and take a look at her.